Welcome, Annie Collins for Imagine Crafts. Today we'll be creating a Valentine's Day card using a variety of Imagine Crafts products. We'll be using Memento in Angel Pink, Versacolor in Pink, Versacolor in Cardinal, and Versafine Clair in Nocturne. We'll be using a stencil by Heidi Grace, some Bristol smooth cardstock, layering cardstock, and a card base. We'll be using Imagine Tarot tape to put it all together, some StazOn multi-purpose cleaner to clean our stamps, and some sheer shimmer spray and sparkle. We'll be using a variety of stamps. This one's by Memory Makers called Love Notes, and another one by Kennedy Grace called Grace's Happy Heart. We'll be using that flower only. So let's get started on our project. We're going to set everything aside. I'll be using finger daubers to apply my ink for this project. I have one for every color. I cut my paper down to 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, the same size as my stencil. Now you can use any stencil, whether it's a store-bought one or a homemade one. You can make it out of paper, plastic, cardboard. They're easy to get your hands on. You can find them in a variety of craft stores, even the dollar store. Now I'm going to create an ombre effect using the inks here. I'm applying it with my sponge dauber again. I'm holding the stencil down firmly so that it doesn't shift. I'm applying the Angel Pink to the top of my heart, and I'm going in a circular motion to blend the ink smoothly. I'm just filling it all in, well, not all, the top portion in, I should say. Now we're going to move on to the next color, which is the pink. This is a little bit brighter, and I always start off on the side of the stencil. And I will show you how I blend the two colors in a moment, because now it just looks like I have a streak of color in the middle. Now I'm applying the Cardinal at the very bottom. I just want a hint of this darker base color. Now, without putting any more ink on my dauber, I'm using the pink one, the Versacolor one, to blend the two colors of the Cardinal and the pink. I'm going to repeat this process with the Angel Pink sponge dauber. But since this is such a light color, I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit more ink on the dauber to blend this very smoothly. I'm going to add a little bit more to a spot that I saw I didn't cover very well. And that's it. We've now stenciled on our heart. I'm going to remove my stencil, and I'm going to clean it with some StazOn stamp cleaner. This way I know I have all the ink off of my stencil. And I'm going to set it to the side. Now I'm going to pull in the Versacolor in Nocturne, and I'm going to stamp my images. I'm using some Post-it here because I want to keep the side of my card white. So I'm going to just butt it up against the bottom of the heart, and I'm going to grab the flower stamp. I'm going to ink it up with the Nocturne ink, and I'm going to stamp basically half on the stamp on the Post-it and half on the heart. Now I'm going to pull in the other little stamps that I pulled from the Love Notes stamp set, which is these little floral flourishes and these little berries. And I'm just going to fill in the spots where I want these little flourishes to go. So I'm going to grab another Post-it to mask off the bottom portion here. Again, I want to keep my ends clear or white. And I'm going to stamp that little flourish towards the bottom. Now I'm going to use the little berries that I pulled from the Love Notes stamp set and fill in all those little gaps where I want some. Just touching the stamp and to the flower stem. Now here's the sentiment. It's the big word love. And I'm going to put in there, pardon my head, I was trying to make sure I was in the right spot. I'm going to walk my fingers gently across, giving it a firm but not too hard pressure. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more of those berries, so to connect my sentiment and my flowers together. This is a little heart, and I'm going to stamp a few of these on here. Now I'm going to clean up my stamps. First I'm going to remove my Post-its to show you that now we kept our area clean and the image just within the heart. Before we build our card, I'm going to set that aside and clean my stamps. I like to clean them right afterwards so that I know I have all the ink off and I can put them away. Now we're going to build our card. Oh, actually, first, I accidentally got some ink onto my card, so I'm just using an eraser to get it off. I'm going to spray the sheer shimmer spray, and you should spray this about 8 to 12 inches from your project. So I'm going to spray it in a flat box on the side. But before I do, I want to make sure I shake it well. All the shimmer settles on the bottom, all the pigment. So you want to make sure you shake it really well. After spraying, I like to clean my nozzle so it avoids it from clogging. Now that has to dry. You can set it aside to dry it, or you can heat set it with a heat tool. I'm choosing to set it with a heat tool so I can proceed with our video today. So I've trimmed my layering cardstock about an eighth of an inch smaller than than my card base. I'm applying the tear tape to the back, and I'm going to adhere this layering cardstock to my card base, giving me a nice little white border all around. Now I'm going to place my heart in the center with some low profile foam tape. I'm going to do my best to center it here. Check it. Yep, centered. Now it gives it a nice height, but not so much that it's not going to cost me so much to mail it out. I'm going to pull in some little jewels in a darker pink and white. I'm going to use my Imagine Crafts On Point glue to adhere these little jewels. I'm going to put 2 drops of this. You don't need a lot. And apply the jewels. I'm putting the white one on the heart and the pink one on the white area. I'm going to apply 2 more dots of glue to the right hand corner. Now I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, I need a little something more. So I'm going to pull out a light pink. That gives me some of that lighter pink that we have on the top of the heart towards the bottom. And I'm going to add that there. Plus it gives me a nice odd number of jewels. And now you can see, if I can get my camera to focus, on all the shimmer that shimmer spray creates on your card, and the jewels add to that shine. So again, this was a quick and easy card using a stencil and a few stamps. We used the Versacolor in Cardinal towards the bottom, and pink in the center, and angel pink towards the top. The Versacolor for our stamped images, a sponge daubers for adding our ink to our stencil, the sheer spray, StazOn to clean everything, and our tear tape to put it all together. I'll have all the items listed in the description down below, so you can have a list of the items I use. I'll make sure they're linkable as well. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you visiting us. To get more inspiration from the rest of the Imagine Crafts design team, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Until